Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Boost mobile data suddenly stops working and apps or websites refuse to load without Wi-Fi, it can definitely become frustrating when you rely on mobile internet throughout the day. Sometimes the signal bars still appear but nothing connects online, while other times data works for a moment and then suddenly stops again. A problem like this can happen because of network settings, signal interruptions, account refresh delays, or simple connection changes that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major is wrong with your phone or service, there are a few simple things worth checking because many mobile data issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix Boost mobile data not working. Try these. Step 1. Check the signal strength on the phone using the Boost mobile network and move to an area with stronger coverage if needed. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on and off on the phone connected to the Boost mobile service to refresh network communication. Step 3. Restart the phone using the Boost mobile SIM card if websites and apps still refuse to load normally. Step 4. Confirm mobile data stays turned on in the phone settings linked to the Boost mobile network. Step 5. Check account or plan details connected to the Boost mobile service if data suddenly stopped unexpectedly. Step 6. Test browsing or streaming again through the Boost mobile network and confirm mobile data begins working normally.